Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and let's learn how to create beautiful smoky eyes even when you don't have any eyeshadow palette. So I'll be using this contour palette that has two shades. So the lighter shade I'll be using as a transition shade on my crease, then creating a V with a darker shade. I'll just apply a kajal very unevenly. I don't have to be really well defined and refined here, so I'll just roughly put the kajal on top of my lash. Now using any pencil brush or a blending brush, just roughly blend that, and towards the end we'll create a V shape because we want to smoke it out using this pencil shimmer from MyGlamm. Again, I'll blend it in a V shape towards the outer corners. And now using this highlighter and bronzer palette, I'll just apply a coat on top of the black kajal. And I'm sure you guys know this product by now. It's my favorite liquid sun-kissed bronzer illuminator by MyGlamm. And I'll just dab a little bit. You don't have to use a lot of this product, just a little bit on my lid. And now the liquid illuminator, again my favorite. I'll use the lighter highlighter and just pat it on the center of my eye. This will add on to the beauty of the smoky eye. And now just tightline the eyes. It's very important for the overall effect. Now complete the rest of your face, do the lower lash and put a coat of mascara and you're good to go.
But I am afraid.